This review is of Nature Valley Protein Peanut Butter Dark Chocolate Chewy Bar. Let's see. There are the nutrition facts. And the ingredients, which I hope you can read. It does have peanut, soy, and milk in it. It says dark chocolate. This looks more like a medium chocolate than a dark chocolate or a milk chocolate. See how light that color is? And that's what the bar looks like. Definitely smells of peanuts, of course. Not very chewy. I mean, compared to what was it, that one? The Kind bar, which was super chewy. This one is very easy to chew. Strangely enough, although there's that thin layer of chocolate on the bottom, I don't really taste the chocolate. Mostly I just taste the peanuts. So I guess if you enjoy peanuts, you're probably going to like this bar. Thanks for watching and have a great day.